Pa 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 pa
The utility of mathematics goes beyond the mundane. Mathematics enables the development of codes, ciphers that are useful to individuals and society. And the end. Okay, babies, it's now time to go home. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.
Ba 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 na 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 ba. Coding scam? Sham? Oh, coding scheme is a convention that associates each character with character set with a unique bit pattern. What? Binary representation of the integers from 0. The common coding schemes are ASCII, EBCDIC, and Unicode. What? There's no banana? Useless piece of paper.
Hey Stewart, did you see a paper attached to the wall?
Huh? Paper? I don't know about that.
Oh, okay. If you see it, bring it to me, okay?
Banana? Okay, banana.
I need to memorize and familiarize the ESCII in order to infiltrate the system of my nemesis Goo.
Boss, what is ASCII again?
Christ, how many times do I have to repeat that ESCII is the most common format for text files on computer and on the internet? In this file, each alphabetic, numeric, or special character in representation with a 7-bit binary number like 1 to 8 possible character is defined.
Okay, boss, but so far the babysitting strategy is working.
That's good. And the ESCII needs to be done because it represents 256 unique symbols. It is widely used to represent data in computer, so we really need this as soon as possible, okay?
Okay, boss.
According to Big Boss, we need to find ASCII, EBCDIC, and Unicode.
Question, Banana. What is ABCDIC again?
Hi, Kevin. You don't even listen to Big Boss all the time. ABCD is a binary code for alphabetic numeric characters that IBM developed for its largest systems. IBM is the internet business machines, and it came to dominate the new field of mainframe and mini computers.
Wow! How did you know that?
Oh, simple. I read that paper in the board.
Oh, okay, gracious for that one, but I know that Unicode, or Universal Code, is what supports most of the world's languages and is becoming the internet standard. It represents text, symbols, and characters in a multilingual environment. It is implemented by character encoding and a commonly used encoding scheme.
Oh, hi Direct. You're right, but you forgot how to do it and examples, right? Alright, let's go to the bus to learn more things. For sure, there is a banana.
Banana! Boss, we are here to learn everything.
Alright, calm down. So we need to complete this mission because Scarlet the Evil is trying to infiltrate our system. We need to solve a lot of mathematical problems and solve different operations.
What is binary code, boss?
It is the simplest form of computer code or programming data. It is presented entirely by a binary system of digits consisting of a string of consecutive 0 and 1.
And if you dumb minions would ask what is binary number system, it is a numbering system that represents numeric values using 2 unique digits, 0 and 1, and most computing devices use binary numbering to represent electronic circuit voltage state.
Also know that microcontrollers only use binary logic in computing. For example, a user input of 345 is 101011001 in binary form.
That's right, minions. And now, you also need to know the binary files that are used in computer in the source of a computer to store binary data. It is used directly by the computer and generally can't be read by a human, so it means Scarlet still has no idea of this matter. So be careful because she has eyes and ears everywhere.
That's right. According to Big Boss, they only know about binary digit or the bit wherein it is the smallest unit of information in a computer. It is is used for storing information and has a value of true or false.
Is how they hack the systems and they want to rule the world. Rule the world with a piece of information because this code can destroy or make the world better.
But, Big Boss, I thought we are villains. Why are we need to get it? Why don't we let Scarlet, the evil, to get it?
Can't you understand? Oh, of course you can't. Integers in computer is a datum of integral data type, and in value of an item with an integral type is the mathematical integer that it corresponds to the internal representation of this datum. Representation of this datum is what the value is stored to the computer's memory. In short, unlike a mathematical integers, a typical datum in a computer has minimal and maximum possible value. If you still can't understand that, please all of you get out.
Where are you right now?
I'm in the daycare, boss, and waiting for the minions to come.
Okay, I've already watched and listened to the camera bugs.
You see it, boss? They're looking down at us. They don't even realize that we are far from them. We know the bytes and octets already, and they're still in that integer of the computer? Duh.
What is byte again? All I can remember is the octet part.
Are you really the Scarlet the Evil? Couldn't believe you are the boss here. Anyways, a byte initially meant the smallest addressable unit of memory.
Oh, right. All I remember was the term octet, which is always referring to an 8-bit quantity and is mostly used in the field of computer networking, where computer with different byte widths might have to communicate.
Right. And boss, I really need to go because the bosses arrive and children, or the minions are coming.
So, teacher boss is a spy?
Spy!
Who's spy? What are you talking about, kids?
Oh, nothing, teacher. Women spies, as in ingredients.
I thought it's serious. Yes, I do. I'll bring you some soon. Now, I read another story for you. The term word is used for a small group of bits that are handled simultaneously by processors of a particular architecture. And the end of our stories about codes and coding schemes.
You need to learn everything now. Scarlet the Evil is on the move. And I learned a while ago that we are behind her now. So you need to listen carefully and understand that you need to learn faster because you are the solution to this problem.
Banana? Oh,
Yes, all of you later will eat, but listen. A short integer can represent a whole number that may take less storage, while having smaller range compared with a standard integer in some machine. And wait, I forgot the long integer.
I know this, boss. I've learned it on the television. A long integer can represent a whole integer whose range is greater than or equal to that of a standard integer on the same machine.
Right, you know already about binary, octa, decimal, and hexadecimal systems.
Banana? Banana? Banana?
No. Okay, computer system regularly numerical systems of bases other than 10. Base 2 is binary. Base 3 is octal. Base 16 is a hexadecimal and numerical system.
Binary numbers are the core of all computer operations.
Right, and it's very easy to represent binary values in electrical circuits and computer system. A high voltage can be used for 1 and a low voltage for 0. A single value such as 1 or as a 0 is called a bit. Remember of all this, right?
Yes, boss.
Okay,
Yes,
boss,
boss.
got it.
By the way, I am wondering where did you learn all of this?
From our teacher in daycare, boss. She reads us stories every day and will learn things, especially in coding scheme, boss.
Really? How come she knows those things? This is a piece of private information and only the evil safety knows these things. She must be an accomplice of Scarlet the Evil.
But she is so good and kind.
Now, I want to meet your teacher. You're the teacher of my kids, right?
Yes, mister.
Delarius Drew, parent of Stewart, Dave, and Kevin.
Oh, Mr. Gru. Right. What's the concern and how may I help you?
Let me get this straight. Are you an accomplice of Scarlet the Evil?
Who is that? I am a daycare teacher and treat children like yours normally. And how come you accuse me of those filthy things?
My kids tell me you read them stories.
Yes, from the book entitled Codes of MMW by Mary Ann Bayansao. I couldn't believe Gru come close to me to confront me.
Okay, we need to move faster, and we're very close to decoding this code. And finally, I can roll over this faulty world. Haha.
Okay, boss, what's the last thing to do?
Solving operation on binary numbers.
Oh, I hate math and computer, boss. Why don't we let Gru and his minions complete this work? Work smarter, not harder.
Emergency! We need to solve these equations to decipher the codes. I will do the decimal, Kevin do the binary and addition of binary numbers, and you, Stewart, do the subtraction binary numbers. And you, David, you need to listen carefully. You will do the multiplication of binary numbers. And lastly, I will do the division of binary numbers. Okay?
Okay, boss.
Got it.
Decimal, let us have 329 for the base, 10 for decimal.
In addition of binary numbers, we need to remember the magic table. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 0. 1 plus 1 equals 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 11.
In subtraction of binary numbers, we also have the magic table to follow. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 0 minus 1 equals 1. But carry is required. 10 minus 1 equals 1.
Multiplication of binary numbers? Couldn't remember it, so just go with the flow. In multiplication, it is the same as the decimals.
In division of binary numbers, it still has the same decimals. And we did it! We did it! Hooray! Oh, it's a different show. I am sorry, but we have deciphered the codes, finally.
I thought we can have it. Now the security will surely double and it will take another 3 years to do something about it.
Sorry, boss. We still couldn't surpass Gru and the minions.
Ah, why are you skipping them?
I'm sorry, boss, but I really want a peaceful life. Bye, boss.